Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check ledger balance in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime, go to Gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, then choose Ledger and pick the specific account. Use F2 to set the period. Press Enter to view opening, debit, credit, and closing balances. You can press F12 for configuration to show amounts in thousands or include narration notes for clarity in your reports. In this video, I will explain how to check ledger balance in Tally Prime. Press F2 to set the period dates you want to review, then confirm the ledger selection to load transactions. Watch the opening balance, followed by debit and credit totals, and the closing balance at the bottom. Use arrow keys to scan entries and press Enter on a voucher to view details quickly while keeping your view focused on the chosen dates. In this video, I will show how to check ledger balance in Tally Prime. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and budgeting for your business, and it pairs nicely with better bookkeeping habits. If this content helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you check ledger balance in Tally Prime. Apply filters like voucher type or narration to narrow results, and use the statement or reconciliation options to match bank entries. Export the ledger or print it for verification, and use Tally Search to find discrepancies by voucher number. Regularly reconciling helps keep balances accurate and reduces month-end surprises while making audits smoother and faster for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.